Hi everyone, Thursday the 7th of April. I'm Mark, this is the Biz Lounge. Now the FTSE 100 was up around a quarter of a percent in early trading today, but it's now retreated and is flat to the downside at 6,160. We had a trading statement from high street favourite M&S today, and it was a familiar story really for anyone who follows the firm's progress. Overall, group sales for the last quarter were up 1.9%. Now this was led by the food division, which again outperformed the market. And it also said it had its best ever Mother's Day. Now M&S is hard to beat on its food quality, and that's why it saw a 4% rise in sales overall. But once again, the company's troubled general merchandise division, that's clothing and home products, saw a fall in overall sales, down 1.9%. Now, as I said, it's a familiar story, so the market not really taking too dim a view. The shares are actually up almost 3%, or 12 pence at £4.33. Now, I'm sticking with M&S for my big boss focus today because Steve Rowe is the new chief executive there, and he's literally just taken over the reins. Now, I'm a shareholder, and I thought this was a slightly odd appointment, as Steve has been with the company for quite a long time, and he's head of the general merchandise division, the part of the M&S business that somehow always seems to struggle. Well, for my money, he hasn't really fixed that. So what can we really expect him to do now that he's in charge of the whole company? Now, just one idea, I buy my socks there. And if only they'd bite the bullet and start stocking some big fashion brand names, I'm sure this would help transform the clothing side, the general merchandising side of the business. For example, if they sold, say, Calvin Klein underwear, I'd buy all my socks and my underwear in one place, and that would save me a lot of time. So come on, Steve, why not give it a go? You never know, you might be surprised. Of course, I've just realized now you know what underwear I wear. Now, Steve may want to take a leaf out of the approach of my stock in focus today, which is Dunelm. Now, Dunelm is a home products firm, not too distant from M&S. And did you know it started trading in 1979, selling curtains from a market stall in Leicester? Of course, now it's one of the country's leading out-of-town retailers and worth around £2 billion. Not bad, eh? Well, it's reported a near 6% rise in its quarterly revenues today to £229 million. So its strategy is clearly working. Of course, it sells things that people want. Take note, M&S. Well, Dunelm's shares are fairly close to the top end of their range though. They're up another 3.5% today at £9.63. So it's going on my watch list now for any possible weakness. That's it. See you on Monday. Don't forget to subscribe, share, follow. If you have any investor questions, drop me a line.